Good afternoon everyone, especially to you Sir Jervin. Good afternoon po. My name is Don Michael Y. Paninga from the Bachelor of Physical Education. This is my video presentation today. I choose these three topics to present to you all. Importance of definition of mathematics, arithmetic and geometric sequence, and lastly, the patterns in nature. What is importance of definition of mathematics? A definition of mathematics explains what mathematics is and why it is so important. Mathematics is the study of numbers, quantities, shapes, patterns, and logical relationships. Number 1. Builds a strong foundation. It helps a student understand the basic concept needed for more advanced math topics. Number 2. Develops a critical thinking. Mathematics teaches logical reasoning, problem solving, and decision-making skills. Number 3. Applies to everyday life. It is used in budgeting, shopping, cooking, measuring, telling time, and planning. Number 4. Support other fields. Mathematics is essential in science, engineering, technology, medicine, business, and economics. Number 5. Improves accuracy and precision. It helps the people calculate and analyze the information correctly. Number 6. Encourage logical reasoning. Understanding the definition of mathematics show that it is the base of rules, patterns, and evidence rather than guessing. Examples of the importance of definition of mathematics: shopping and budgeting. Knowing that the mathematics deals with the numbers and calculation helps people to compute the price, discounts, and change correctly. Measuring while cooking. Mathematics is used to measure ingredients accurately, resulting in better recipe. Construction engineering. Builders use a mathematical concept to measure distance and angle and dimension to create a safe structure. Managing money. Mathematics helps people calculate the savings, expenses, taxes, and interest of rates. Still, example of importance of definition of mathematics. Science and technology. Scientists and engineering use mathematics to analyze the data, design experiments, and develop the new technologies. Time management. Mathematics help the people to calculate the schedule, travel time, and deadlines. Example scenario. A student buys a notebook worth of 85 pesos, a pen worth of 25 pesos. By applying the mathematics, the student finds the total cost. 85 pesos plus 25 pesos is equal to 110 pesos. If the student pays 200 pesos, the change is 200 pesos minus 110 pesos is equal to 90 pesos. What is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of number in which difference between the consecutive term is always the same. Example of arithmetic sequence. Example 1. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Common difference plus 3. Each term increased by 3. Example 2. 20, 17, 14, 11, and 8. Common difference minus 3. Each term decreased by 3. Example 3. 7, 12, 17, 22, 27. Common difference is plus 5. Real life example. A student saved 50 pesos every day. Week 1, 50. Week 2, 100. Week 3, 150. And week 4, 200. What is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers where each term is found by multiplying the previous term by the same constant number called the common ratio. Example of geometric sequence. Example 1. 2, 6, 18, 54, 162. First term 2, common ratio is 3 because 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. What is patterns in nature? Patterns in nature are the repeated shape, structure, or agreement found in the natural world. These patterns occur because the natural progress, growth, and the law of mathematics and science. Example of patterns in nature. A spiral pattern found in the sunflower, seashell, pine cones, and galaxies. The spiral agreement helps organisms grow efficiently. Symmetry patterns. See in the butterflies, flowers, and leaves. The two sides of the object have similar or matching shape. Fractal patterns found in the tree branches, form lightning and snowflakes. As small parts of the patterns look like similar to the whole structure. Honeycomb pattern created by bee using a hexagonal shape. The pattern allows the bee to store the honey efficiently while using less material. Wave pattern. See the ocean waves and sand dunes and ripples in water. These patterns are formed by the movement and natural force. Spots and stripes found the zebra, tigers, leopards, and fish. These patterns can help with protection, camouflage, or identification.